Is your vehicle's turn signal or hazard light working intermittently? Watch this. It has stopped. It has stopped again. Now when I go over to the left hand turn signal, nothing at all from that side. The right works. It has stopped. So if your vehicle is doing this, you might want to pay attention to this video and see the trick on how to troubleshoot it. We'll be using a Nissan Primera P11 series to demonstrate this. So sit tight and enjoy this video. Of course, you have a lot to learn from it. So the first thing you want to do is to check the fuses. There are two fuses that actually control the turn signal and the hazard light. The first column, yes, then the third row in the first column, you have the first fuse there for the turn signal. Let me try and zoom in my camera so that you can see it here. Look at it there. There you go. That's the first fuse that you want to check. It's in the first column, the third row in the first column. And the second fuse is in the last column, still the third row, and that is the hazard, as you can see there. So you want to check these fuses and be very sure that the fuses that control the turn signal and the hazard light is working very well. Next is this monster that I want to show you now, and that is it's actually the flasher module or relay. In my own case, it's actually working intermittently. If you touch it, it starts working. Just listen to the sound it's making when I touch it. So this is the fault of this one, and this relay is located by the shaft of the steering, under the steering, as you can see. So I'm going to bring it out so that you see it very well. You can actually see what it's doing. So let's bring it out so that you can see it very well. And this is the flasher relay or flasher module. So change this and your problem is solved, as you will soon see mine being solved after the change. Nice and sweet. No more working intermittently. Nice and sweet. Both the hazard, if I turn on the hazard light, you see both of them working very well. Let me turn on the hazard light. So that's very amazing. So that's the fix, guys. You can see everything working very well. I'm your engineer behind the camera. I have so many of these videos and more to show you. Just stick close by.